In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix unable to generate shipping label on Whatnot app. So you have two options to try. First is head over to your browser and launch the Whatnot app there. So this option is the best if you are experiencing the flat rate box issue. The reason is mainly because the Whatnot app currently doesn't support adjusting shipment details. So just log into your account and use Whatnot on your browser. And if that's not the issue, you can just head over to your mail and reach them out at sellersupport@whatnot.com and here specify the problem you're encountering, specifically unable to generate label error. Compose your email and send it to them. And from there, just wait for their response to help you with your problem. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!